Alright guys, so I wasn't too happy with the plug that I bought. This is the OEM plug. Supposedly it's for Integras and RSX or any of those model years. Again, that's the part number. Yeah, there you go. But I wasn't really too happy with it because the actual part, like this part right here that goes in between the glass in the inside, the one that came from here is a lot smaller than this one. This was the OEM one from the windshield wiper. This was the actual rubber grommet that was on there. You see this part's got a bigger opening for where the glass can squeeze in between there. I don't want to take it out. I know it's in there, I got it put in, but the one that the OEM plug one, this section right here is a lot smaller, so I couldn't get it to sit as good as I want. So hopefully it doesn't leak. I mean, I sprayed it with water and it hasn't leaked, but if you want the cheaper way out, then you can reuse the OEM one that came from the wiper. And here's how it looks like after I did it. I think this looks a lot better. It will sit with the glass in there a lot easier because of the opening is a lot wider. All that I did was I had some Dorman, I guess these are bypass cap assortment, that's the part number, and then they come with a bunch of caps, all different sizes, and of them one of the size happens to fit perfectly. So I mean, if you want to take extra precaution, you can seal it up, but I think with the way it is, it's snug, it's sitting there pretty good. So this would be the cheaper option. I think this kit is only like $3-4 bucks at the auto store. So I mean, I'm gonna keep this as a spare just in case it ever decides to leak, because you can just pop it off easily, you know, with the OEM plug. But this one, because it's a lot, you know, the cut in here is a lot wider and deeper, you won't be able to pull this out. You're gonna have to pry on it. But like I said, the other one you can just pop it out and it'll just pop right off. So this is the cheap alternative. I think this is the better route, but I haven't tried it yet. So maybe down the road I'll try it. But yeah, if you guys want a cheaper way to do it, I figured this way works pretty good. So that's it. So hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.